Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an autofill link for Google Forms. So let's get right into it. Click the 9 dots next to your profile and open Forms. Select a blank template and you can start editing your form and adding questions. I recommend using the short answer or paragraph format for questions that you want autofill. After editing your form and publishing it, go to Google Sheets and select a blank spreadsheet. Here, create sections for each question that you want autofill. So I'm going to do this for name and age. And I'm also going to add a section called autofill link. Go back to your form and click the 3 dots next to your profile. Here, select prefill form. Now, for each question that I want autofill, I'm just going to type in for first name, I'll put first name, and I'll continue that for the other questions. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and here instead of submit form, you'll see get link. So click that and then click copy link. Go back to your sheet and in the autofill link section, type =, hyperlink, 2 quotation marks, and then paste in this link. Now I'm just going to go to the end of this link, put a comma, put 2 quotation marks, and I'm going to name it pre-filled link. And that is what it will show up as in the sheet. When I click this link, it takes us straight to the form with these sections filled in. But I want these sections to have this named and this age instead. So to link the answers in the sheet with the form, come back to the link, and in the section that says first name, you're going to select that and put 2 quotation marks, and inside you're going to put 2 and signs and then select the cell with the name. So for mine is going to be A2, and then repeat this with the other sections. Now when I click this link, instead of having first name as the answer, it's going to have the name that I typed in here. So you can copy this link for multiple sections and just change the cell numbers. So I'm going to come to this prefilled link, copy it, and I'm going to paste it in this other cell, and I'll change A2 to A3 and do the same for the other sections. So B2 will be B3, C2 will be C3, and D2 will be D3. I'm just going to do the same for the last row. So when I click the link in any of these two rows, it will fill in the form like normal, but it will change the names. And that is how to create an autofill link for Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.